All right, here we go, Mr. D-Man here. We are going to begin our new project, which is the puzzle cube. Okay, and our puzzle cube is made up of 5 different pieces. And if you look, you'll see 5 different colors. We're going to make 1 part per day, so it's not going to be too terribly laborsome. And then we'll learn a few more tools as we go. And hopefully after about 7-8 days, we'll have this puzzle cube completed. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to move my mug over here, get out of the way, and each one of our, let me put myself back in the picture, a spotlight on D-Man. Each one of these cubes here is 1 by 1 by 1, okay? So our overall size of our puzzle is 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches. And if you didn't know, I mean, you didn't notice, I did. We have some pieces that are made up of 5 different cubes. And then we have some that are made up of 6. So we have 3 that are 5 and 2 that are 6. So I think we'll start out making our purple piece. Sorry, I'm looking off. So we're going to make this purple piece to begin. So let me move my face out of the way here. Well, let me put me back because I want to explain. So we have a piece here that is, its overall dimensions is 3 inches wide. It is 3 inches deep. If I go this way, 3 inches deep, and then it is 2 inches high. So those are our overall dimensions, and we'll be doing subtractive and additive here as we make our different parts. But as always, get ugly out of here. And I'm going to start by getting rid of Yahoo. So, purple piece. I told you it was 3 wide and 3 deep. So I'm going to go ahead. Oops. It froze. There we go. Oh, man, a Chevette. It's going slow. Here we go. All right, so again, I did not click a second time. Dimensions are down here, 3,3. Enter. Gonna go ahead and go here to zoom extends. And now I'm gonna take the zoom tool and I'm gonna zoom out. I'll do that a couple of different times. So again, that's click straight down. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pan this over. And go ahead, and I told you it is too high. So we're gonna pull this up 2. So there we go. And now we're gonna start cutting away the sections we don't need. So when I looked at this piece, I can see that we need to, as I look at this, we need to cut a channel out here and a channel out here. So let's do that by drawing on this face. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab this rectangle tool. And I am going to, first I'm going to rotate. Let me do that so it's a little better view. All right, now let's take our rectangle tool and I'm going to start on this corner up here and I'm gonna make a 1 by 1 square. And then I'm gonna go over here and do the same. 1 by 1, enter. And now we can go ahead and push these out of the way. And we're gonna push them all the way out. So that would be 3, enter. And then this, 3 and enter. And I'm gonna zoom us in a little bit now. So this will go from bottom to top. And now I'm gonna rotate it. Now we'll be looking at it from this side here. Now, we did those 2 channels there. Now we need to remove this. So on yours, it would look like this. So we'll go ahead, starting with our rectangle tool. Let me rotate this a little bit more. There we go. I'm gonna move it. I'm getting too close to the bottom there. Ooh, there we go. And rectangle tool, we will start on this bottom corner. Now you'll see it's drawing in green because we're on the front surface. So I'll start on this corner, start dragging, and we need a 2 by 1. And that's done. Now we can take our push-pull tool. Oops, that's the wrong one. Here's our push tool right there, and we need to push that. Oh my goodness. Rat farts. I guess that far. 1, enter. Now maybe we can push it again, and we'll go 2, enter. Let me see if that turns out correct. Gotta rotate. Looks like I got something in the background there. What the hay bale? I don't get that. Rats. We'll scratch. Well, I'm gonna backtrack. Sorry. This is getting probably longer than it needs to be. We're gonna change our plan. So I'm gonna rotate this thing this way, and we're gonna change our plan. Sorry, deal with it. Here we go. Rectangle tool. We're gonna draw on this top surface. And I'm gonna drag that way, and we're gonna make it 2, 1, enter. Oh, my Chromebook's lagging. And then we'll come over and we'll do the same thing, starting here, drag 2, 1, enter. Now we'll go ahead and push those out of the way. 1, enter. 1, enter. And now we have just one more thing to do. So I'll rotate. This is kind of a long way about doing this, but we'll get it done. Rectangle tool. Again. Now I'm going to start on this corner. It's going to draw on green. We're going to make it 2, 1, enter. And now push that out. Total of 1, enter. And now we're going to have to rotate to erase a line. I need to erase this line. There we go. I'm going to rotate it back around. And there's, whoa, heavens to Murgatroyd. So I'm going to kind of position this like this. Now what we need to do is go ahead and we're going to have to use this select tool. And what we have to make sure we do is select this entire thing. So I'm going to start low and go like that. I'm going to take myself out of here. Now we're going to go and select this paint can. And I'm going to come over here to where it says browse. Click on that. And we're going to go down to where it says colors. Now, it is extremely important that you select the same colors I do. Okay? Don't go, you don't want to be that person that, oh, I'm going to change the colors, because you'll get all mixed up when we have to assemble this. So here we go. I'm going to select that color, come over here, and now I need to go up here to the select tool again and just click anywhere on my screen. Get rid of this color palette. I'm going to pan this over a little bit and just rotate it a bit. That'll be good. So here we go. We're going to save this as, I'm going to name this PC Purple. So P C, capital C, Purple. I'm going to give everybody a chance to guess what that stands for. Oh, good. Puzzle Cube Purple. Very nice. This is going to go into your DM Google SketchUp folder once it comes up. And there we go. And boom. I assure you the other pieces will not take this long. You need to now take and get a screenshot of that and put it on the slide. Good job, and we'll see you on the next piece.